Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Diabetes mellitus. Clinical feature of diabetes mellitus. Onset of diabetes is usually marked by polyuria, polypsia, polyphagia. Polyuria. What is polyuria? Excess micturition is called polyuria. When polyuria occurs, when hyperglycemia exceeds renal threshold, then glycosuria starts. The glycosuria induces an osmotic dialysis and thus polyuria occurs. Then polydipsia. What is polydipsia? Increased feeling of thirst is called polydipsia. How polydipsia occurs? Increased level of glucose in the blood tends to deplete intracellular water, triggering the osmoreceptor of the thirst center of the brain. In this manner, intense thirst appears. This is called polydipsia. Then what is polyphagia? Polyphagia means excessive intents to take food. In polyphagia, patient likes to take more food. Why it occurs? The catabolism of proteins and the fats tends to induce a negative energy balance, which in turn leads to increasing appetite. That is polyphagia. Then etiological classification of diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is classified in 4 groups: type 1 diabetes mellitus, type 2 diabetes mellitus, other specific types of diabetes, then gestational diabetes. Then type 1 diabetes mellitus, nearly 10%. It is divided into 2 parts. It is divided into 2 parts: type 1A and type 1B. Type 1A is immune mediated. Type 1B is idiopathic. Then type 2 diabetes mellitus, it is nearly 80%. Then other specific types of diabetes, it is 10%. A genetic defect, beta cell function due to mutation in various enzymes, genetic defect in insulin action, disease of exocrine pancreas. Then other specific types of diabetes, endocrinopathies, that is acromegaly, Cushing syndrome, drug or chemical use, steroids, thiazides, infections, congenital rubella, cytomegalovirus. G. Uncommon form of immune mediated diabetes mellitus. Other genetic syndrome, that is Down syndrome, then gestational diabetes mellitus. Type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease in which islets destruction is caused primarily by immune effector cell reacting against endogenous beta cell antigen. Here, immune system development of antibody against endogenous B cell antigen. It causes immunization, causes type 1 diabetes mellitus. Then type 2 diabetes is a complex disease that involves an interplay of genetic and environmental factors and pro-inflammatory state. Difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Features: frequency, type 1 10 to 20%, type 2 80 to 90%. Age of onset, it is early onset type 1 and type 2 late onset. Type 1 starts below 35 years. Late, that is type 2, starts after 40 years. Type onset, abrupt and severe. Type 1 is abrupt and severe. Type 2 is gradual and insidious. Weight, in type 1, weight normal, and type 2 obese and non-obese. Age link occurs in type 1 diabetes. There is HLA-DR, HLA-DR4, HLA-DQ. In type 2, there is no HLA connection. Then family history. In type 1, less than 20%. In type 2, about 60%. Genetic local, unknown, and in type 1, and type 2, 6. Difference between type 1 and type 2 diabetes matter. Diabetes is identical twins. 50% cancer, 50% concordates, and type 2 80% concordates. Pathogenesis, autoimmune destruction of beta cells, insulin resistance, impaired insulin secretion, islet cell antibodies. Yes, in type 1 diabetes, no in type 2 diabetes. There is no islet cell antibody. Then blood insulin level. Decreased insulin in type 1, normal or increased insulin in type 2. Islet cell changes, insulators and B cell depletion. In type 2, no insulators, insulative, later fibrosis of the islets. Clinical management. Insulin and diet in type 1. In type 2, diet, exercise, oral drugs and insulin. Acute complications. Ketoacidosis in type 1 and type 2, hyperosmolar complication of diabetes mellitus. Acute complication and late complication. Acute complication, 3 types: hypoglycemia, diabetic ketoacidosis, hyperosmolar non-chaotic coma or hyperosmolar hyperglycemic state. Long-term complication, 2 types: macrovascular complication and microvascular complication. Macrovascular complication are number 1 hypertension, number 2 myocardial infarction, number 3 coronary artery disease, number 4 cerebrovascular disease, number 5 peripheral vascular disease. Microvascular complication, diabetic retinopathy, diabetic nephropathy and diabetic neuropathy. Then about hypoglycemia causes. Plasma glucose level less than 60 mg per deciliter or 3.3 millimole per liter is called hypoglycemia. When there is an imbalance between food intake and the appropriate dosage and timing of drug therapy, oral drug and insulin, other factors, unaccustomed exercise, alcohol intake, decreased liver and kidney function. Symptom of hypoglycemia: mild, pallor. In mild hypoglycemia, symptoms occur like pallor, sweating, tachycardia, palpitation, hunger, shakiness. Moderate, inability to concentrate, 2 confusion, 3 slurred speech, 4 irritation or uncontrolled behavior, 5 blurred vision, 6 extreme fatigue. Severe, completely automatic, disoriented behavior, loss of consciousness, inability to arouse from sleep, seizure. Diabetic ketoacidosis principally occurs in people with type 1 diabetes. The average mortality in developed countries is 5 to 10% and higher in elderly. It can develop in patients with severe insulin deficiency, combined with glucagon excess. Failure to take insulin and exposure to stress are the usual precipitating cause. Severe lack of insulin. The mechanism of ketoacidosis. Severe lack of insulin causes lipolysis in adipose tissue, resulting in release of free fatty acid into plasma. This free fatty acid is taken up by the liver, but they are oxidized through acetyl-coenzyme ketone bodies, principally acetic acid and beta hydroxy butyric acid. glycated hemoglobin or glycosylated hemoglobin. Glycosylated hemoglobin, that is HbA1c. Glucose undergoes non-enzymatic linkage to hemoglobin in circulating glycocyte. It is called glycosylation of hemoglobin. Glucose binds to hemoglobin in amounts that is parallel to the blood glucose concentration. Glycosylated hemoglobin A1c. The proportion of hemoglobin present as hemoglobin A1c is employed as an index of the average glucose level over the past 2 to 4 months. Normal value of HbA1c 4.2% to 6.4%. A rise of 1% in HbA1c corresponds to an approximate increase of 2 millimole per liter in average blood glucose.